GlamDollz, so I'm here today to share with you all some fabulous smell goods that I scored from my local Dollar Tree. I'm gonna start by digging in my bag. That's what's gonna make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, waiting to see what smell goods did MGA find this time. Yes, I am so excited to finally be able to talk to you, GlamDollz, because let me tell y'all, let me interject this real quick. OMG, I had the most terrible toothache that, oh my, let me tell y'all, I do not wish that upon no one. Another thing I also want to interject is there's some renovation work that's being done. So if you hear some clinking, clunking, you know, like grinding or drilling type sounds, I can't do anything to stop that because the renovations need to get complete. But you want to know what I can stop? Is breaking my bank for fabulous smell goods. So I'm going to share with you the ones that I scored from my local Dollar Tree today, because I'm just so happy to be able to literally verbally talk to you dolls. I still got some dental work to get done, but at least that throbbing toothache is gone. So first thing up out the bag is going to be a repeat buy. It's the hydration body wash that has coconut, oat, and honey extracts in it that looks like this right here. You see how huge this bottle is. It's going to last you quite some time, and it's definitely worth you looking into. And I purchased this again, and once again it smells amazing. So I picked up another one of those. Now, if you're connected with me on my social media, especially my Instagram, then you saw the picture when I posted oil Olay popped up in Dollar Tree. I know, oil Olay. Let me tell you, this is the Clean Moisture infused with coconut milk, and it's a body wash, and it's 6.7 ounces, and let me tell you, it smells incredible. But you know, anything Olay makes is going to smell good. So I got that one, and I also picked up the other one called Sensitive Moisture that's infused with chamomile. That looks like that right there. I'm showing you these two that I snatched up, but you know, because it's Olay, and you know, because it was $1 in Dollar Tree, then you know I didn't get just two, but I'm gonna show you these two just to show you what was there. So I snatched them up, let me just say that. Still with the smell goods. Oh my god. So this is another repeat buy. This is by April Bath and Shower. It's a repeat buy, but it's in a new scent. This one is called Honeysuckle. This is the shower gel, and I got the body splash spray that looks like this right here. This smells so amazing. It honestly smells like, oh, it smells like you're beach ready, okay? Spray this on when you at the beach, mix with the ocean, mix with the sand. Oh my god, it just smells incredible. This is the honeysuckle and the shower gel. The shower gel also lathers quite well. I'm not going to say generously. It gives a decent lather when used, and it does leave a lasting scent on my skin when I get out of the shower. So yeah, I was excited to get another one of these. And then, like I said, I have the body splash spray, so picked up that one. And again, same thing, but this is the lotion, the honeysuckle lotion, and I only picked up the citrus and coconut scented body splash that looks like this. When I saw the shower gel and the lotion to this, I wasn't impressed by the scent of it, but the body splash itself, this smells amazing. Yeah, this smells amazing. So once again, this is the citrus and coconut scented, and this was the honeysuckle one. So I picked up those right there. And oh my gosh, this is a very small haul because dolls, look, it's over. Oh my god, I didn't expect that. Yeah, oh my gosh, I didn't expect that to be over that fast. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got to share with you all today. So on that note, dolls, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Also, thank you for sending me the get well wishes as far as that toothache go, because let me tell y'all, I don't wish it upon nobody. And I still got some dental work to go, but I'm just glad that toothache is over. Seriously, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the Miss Glamatic YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and join in on an amazing official GlamDollz community. My name is Glam. In this community, the official GlamDollz, and when I say official, that means subscribe. GlamDollz, they call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking bank for a fabulous look. So that's exactly what you're going to get on this channel here. Also, keep in mind, we still going to have to stay socially connected. I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. So now I'm going to get out of here so I can bring you that Bolero Dollar Tree video next. But I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.